function or lambda? When should you use each? In Python, both let you define reusable behavior. But a function is better for complex, reusable logic, while a lambda is perfect for short, simple operations. Let's see the difference. Let's start with a function in Python. A function is a named and reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. We define it using the def keyword, followed by the function name and parameter s. For example, our add function takes two numbers, adds them together, and uses return to send the result back. K. Functions can contain multiple statements, accept different inputs, and can be called again and again. N. So, use a function when your logic is complex, reusable, or needs to be easy to understand. Now let's look at Lambda in Python. A lambda is a small, anonymous function designed for short and simple operations. Unlike a regular function, it doesn't need the def keyword or a function nom. Its syntax is simple: lambda, followed by parameters, a colon, and a single expressio. N. The expression is evaluated and returned automatically, so there's no return statement. T. Lambda functions are especially useful with map, filter, sorted, and reduce. Use lambda when you need a quick, one-time function for a simple operation. Now, let's compare function and lambda side by side. A function is defined using def and has a meaningful name. Lambda uses the lambda keyword and is typically anonymous. Functions can contain multiple statements and use the return keyword. Lambda is limited to one expression and returns its result automatically. Functions are easier to read and debug, especially for complex, reusable logic. Lambda is better for short, simple operations, often used with functions like map, filter, and sorted. Simple rule: use function for complex and reusable logic. Use lambda for short and one-time operations. Now let's see where lambda becomes really useful in Python. First, map applies a function to every item. Here, we use lambda to square each number, giving us 1, 4, 9, and 16. Next, filter keeps only the items that match a condition. This example keeps the even numbers, 2, 4, and 6. With sorted, lambda can tell Python how to sort data. For example, we can sort a list of points based on their second value. Finally, reduce repeatedly combines values to produce a single result. Here, the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 are added together to get 10. So, lambda works especially well with these built-in functions when you need short, simple operations. So, what's the rule of thumb? Use a function with def when your logic is complex, needs multiple statements, will be reused, or when readability and debugging are important. Use a lambda when the operation is short and simple, especially for a one-time task or when working with map, filter, sorted, or reduce. In short, function for complex and reusable logic, lambda for short, simple operations. And remember, clarity is better than cleverness. Write code that you and others can easily understand. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are learning Python. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.